Hey, what's going on, guys? Bob Mentality here. So real quick, I want to just make a video here as we head into one of the most important days of trading this year, the FOMC meeting, where we determine what we're going to do about this outrageous inflation. So I'm just going to keep this short and sweet, guys. I'm going to zoom out here on the ES, on the monthly. As long as you make a higher low over 3,400, that's a pretty bullish chart, honestly, on the monthly. There is no panic in the market right now. Take a look at the VIX here. The VIX sold off heavy into the FOMC meeting. Once we're past this meeting, if they meet expectations or more dovish than expectations, the market's going to go up. It's most likely going to move to the upside. VIX will drop sub 27 probably, and we could see ES head for 4,400. If it's exceeds expectations or is more hawkish than anticipated, we have plenty of room down to 4,000 or possibly below on the ES. What's going to be important is managing your risk heading into FOMC. I personally won't be carrying any risk into it unless I'm on both sides of the trade, like a straddle or something like that. Besides that, I'm waiting to see what happens afterwards and trading the direction of the momentum. If nothing happens, or exactly what we expect happens, I'm expecting that to be a bullish move for the markets, okay? And we have immediate move to the upside. You've seen betas. You know how many. I'm just going to jump on the NQ here just to show you that. You know how beat up these beta names are in comparison. Look in comparison to the ES. They're huge. They got killed. We have plenty of room back up. Even NQ 15,000 would be huge. Look at any beta chart. You can look at Apple, for example. Apple sitting here on 155, room all the way back to 180. Nothing about this is a bearish move here so far. Plenty of names have a ton of room back to their upside. Look in NVIDIA. NVIDIA could easily break out over 260, 275, within the week if we see a positive response from this FOMC. It just depends. So my advice is keep your risk low and stay tuned for that 2 p.m. meeting and be prepared to take advantage of the volatility. In short-term ranges, guys, on the ES, we've just been in this wedge. I mean, you've got 4150-ish, 4100 macro demand, and let's just say 4275 supply. A break over 4275, we're likely heading to 4400. A break below 4150, we're going to 4100. And below 4100, we're going to 4000. I'm not going to overcomplicate the price action or tell you some crazy predictions. Ideally, I want to see a VIX crush on a meets expectations or better than expectations result from the markets. There's a chance that they've already priced in the scenario that the Fed's going to present tomorrow. So that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking to catch beta to the upside, but I'm not going to go long into the announcement. So yeah, that's pretty much my thoughts on it, guys. Let me put it to you like this. If the markets were fearful, why is the VIX dropping sub 30 heading into the meeting? That's what I want to know. So is that foreshadowing of what's to come, or are we going to see them kind of break our ankles and the market just drops below 4150 tomorrow? We'll see. So far during the overnight session on the ES, it's not looking too bad, guys. We had a really strong day today. We're holding up. Could go green. Who knows? Well, I'm going to get out of here, guys. Continue to stay focused on developing that bot mentality, which is that trading mentality where you learn to control your emotions so you can trade like a machine, guys. I'm out of here. Deuces.